Dear friends, once there was a king who wanted to know whether his people truly knew him. So, what did he do? He took off his royal robes and he dressed as an ordinary traveler. And by doing this, he walked through villages, markets, and streets. As usual, people ignored him. Some pushed past him. Others even complained to him about the king, not realizing that they were speaking to the king himself. Now, one evening, as it was getting dark, he entered a small inn. Now, the innkeeper welcomed him warmly, shared his meal, and also offered him a bed. Now, the next morning, the king revealed his truth. And after hearing this, the innkeeper fell to his knees in shock. Now the king asked the innkeeper, "Why did you treat me so kindly?" And the man replied, "Because I believed that every stranger deserved respect, whether he was a king or not." The king smiled and went away. My dear friends, many people were just looking for the king's crown, but this innkeeper was able to look at the heart of the king. My dear friends, in today's gospel passage, Jesus asks a very puzzling question. Now, everyone knew that the Messiah would be the son of David, but Jesus points out that David himself calls the Messiah Lord. Now, how can the Messiah be both David's son as well as David's Lord? And as a result of this, the crowds are left wondering. By asking these questions, Jesus is teaching them something profound. Now, the Messiah is not just another earthly king, he is far greater than what the people imagined. The people thought that the Messiah would be some kind of a revolutionary, a kind of a ruler with army as well as with wealth. Yet the true king was standing right before them. They saw his face, they heard his voice, but many failed to recognize who he really was. In the first reading, St. Paul reminds Timothy to remain faithful to the scriptures and to the truth he has learned. Why? Because God's wisdom helps us to see reality as it truly is. And without wisdom, we can look directly at Christ and still miss him. So today, let us ask ourselves this question: do we really know who Jesus is?